Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
I am pregnant and constantly having to refill my water bottles, so I was looking for a large one that would last me throughout the day, but also that would be leak proof because I have a toddler who is always trying to take my water. I love this one from Futaiphy. It is perfect. I love that it has this carry strap for on the go. Because the bottle is so big, it doesn't really fit in my purse or anything. It is great for when I'm out and about. I love that it has this sleeve on it because it has this pocket for your phone, and it also has this little clip for your keys. So if you're just running out of the house real quick, it is super handy for that. I also love that the strap comes off, so if you don't want to have that in your way, if you're at the gym or something, it is perfect. And if I'm just at home, I love to take the sleeve off, and it has these grooves to hold it, which makes it a lot easier.
Whether you're on the go all the time or at home, this is the perfect water bottle. I love that it has the carry strap, but also that the sleeve comes off if you just want to use the bottle by itself. It's such a great water bottle. I love the motivation, and you're going to love it too. And that's my point of view.